Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com and I welcome you all to this new course on Salesforce AI Associate exam preparation course. And this is a great course and one of the easiest certifications to get. So this particular course covers a lot of theory, but you do not worry. We are going to cover all that and more. We are going to have some real life examples and I'll show you the power of AI. So you won't feel bored, and also this course is very engaging and a lot of practical illustrations will be covered in this particular course. So let's go ahead and get a quick overview of what the exam is all about and also how many questions do come. So how many questions are there in the exam? There are about 40 questions in the exam and the passing percentage is about 65%. So you have to have minimum of 65% in order to pass this exam. There is no particular prerequisite. You do not need any certification before this particular exam, but the recommendation is basically to have this Salesforce Certified Associate certificate in order to do it, but it's not a prerequisite. And in other places, you can either take this exam online or you can go to one of their centers and give this exam. And the last and not the least is the fees is about $75 to take this exam. So this is about the overview of the exam. Now let's talk about some of the topics that are covered in this exam. So there are 4 categories of the topics. So one is the fundamentals of AI and the exam percentage is about 17%. And then the second one we have is what are the different capabilities of AI in CRM, that is 8% of the exam. So this is total of about 25%. Now the 2 main topics in this exam are the ethical considerations of AI, means how ethically we have to use AI because the power of AI is huge. Through AI you can do a lot of things, but you have to be ethical with all of that. And the other topic is the data for AI, how important the data is to feed the information to the AI so that it can predict better results, it can generate better results. So these 2 topics are the main meat, I would say, for the exam. So we would be focusing on these 2 topics more because that covers about approximately more than 70% of the exam. So we have to be acting smart here. So we will focus more on these 70% of the exam, whereas we will cover some theory from both the other topics as well. So don't worry, I'm going to cover each and everything, and you will definitely going to pass this exam by just taking this particular course. We will also have a lot of question answers along the way, so you'll keep it your knowledge check, and also we'll be adding a practice test with bunch of questions. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to see you in the next video. We will get started as soon as possible. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Take care.